Welcome to Acutrack. Acutrack is a publishing and fulfillment company that specializes in printing and distributing content on books, DVDs, and USB thumb drives. We offer a solution that no other publisher does. We ship directly to our customers and users. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley in Northern California, we have multiple state-of-the-art production and fulfillment locations to ship your product globally. We have been in business for over 25 years. If you are a motivational speaker, marketer, trainer, educator, or film distributor, and have an established customer base and want full control over your sales and simply need a printed fulfillment partner, well then Acutrack is the perfect partner for you. Our production process is integrated with our fulfillment house, allowing you to do everything from one company under one roof. Our technology-driven model integrates with your shopping cart, landing page, or marketplace. Acutrack's seamless process allows you to not worry about the little details, but rather focus on growing your core business. In today's digital age, a tangible physical product is valuable in increasing brand awareness and sales revenue. So let Acutrack show you how we can take care of your product fulfillment to ultimately grow your business.